first website on our list is godaddy.com. On godaddy.com, you can buy your domain names registrars.com.net. This is the first website on our list, and this website is widely used by most countries of the world. The second on the list is namesilo.com. Namesilo is a registrar that you can buy so many domain name extensions. They are very, very reliable and vibrant in the domain name business, so you can make use of this to purchase your domain names. And the last but not the least, the third on our list is namecheap.com. As the name implies, cheap. That means you can get domain names at relatively low prices, very, very cheap on this website. This website is also used by many countries of the world.